Now, Color Bond XRW steel comes with Thermatec technology. Thermatec solar reflectance technology is incorporated in Color Bond steel by optimizing its solar reflectance, keeping it cooler by absorbing less heat from the sun. In other words, Thermatec technology is able to increase the solar reflectance index or SRI of a roofing material without impacting upon its color. Conventional roofing material has an average SRI value of 17. Color Bond steel with Thermatec technology has an average of more than 3 times higher SRI values. Now, even darker colored Color Bond steel products are able to reflect more heat away, creating advantage